Alright, so I think I found an issue with the transfer case. Pretty much, when you wiggle the thing, there's like a wire that goes down like this, and there's a hole, and the wire is meant to go through the hole and hook through like that. But it's now disconnected, and when you wiggle the stick, it's going back and forth, but it's not linking with the holes. If you go back up and wiggle the thing, Tom, seeing how that's going back and forth and it's not touching that linkage there, that's what our issue is. So we got to get that around that and see if we can get back in the four-wheel drive and get back into business. So, yep, that looks a lot better, doesn't it?
Give it a go.
Oh, look at that!
Yeah, baby! You cunts, I got it fixed. Get a chip. I got a beer.
Oh, you just
Get a chip, boys.
No.
Oh, it's the fucking hot chip. It's the hot chip.
You're gonna feel it.
That's nothing.
Just wait.
Trust me.
Just wait. Let's get our tick zone first. Let's get our tick zone. It's gonna start burning. Right, let's get out of the middle and chuck it. Let's get it out. No, it's gonna start hurting. Wait, get in some ice. To be honest, chuck it in. Hey.
Yeah, fine.
God damn, how much did you eat? Jess had more than Tom.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Tom had a decent. I had a full chip the other day.
Oh, bro, I ate oh my. You know my boss ate 8 of them?
Really?
And he... It wasn't bad. He's got his garden glove on.
It's actually my mechanical glove, man. Mechanical glove.
Oh, the tracks, don't forget the tracks. Well, we definitely need to strap the fucking tracks on. The next one we undo it. So... Oh, big fucking... The next right turn, like it should hook right and then we'll follow it.
Next right.
So it turns right here. Like literally this way. Does it? Yeah.
Bro, I need to
What way are we
shit.
facing?
We're inland.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a full garden there.
Yeah. So this is only one track, so it follows around.
I take the brakes off. Head alright, yeah. Whatever it takes us, so yeah, ooh, yeah. To get high. I chase the devil, ooh, yeah.
God, that's fucking fire.
This is your car. Your fucking neck, God.
This guy was trying to finger me.
What?
Oh, I was too focused on flight.
Mate, we're fucking doing it! No shit! There's still more! Mate! Yo! For it!
Oh, don't pull it up there.
No!
No.
Oh, fuck! Ah, the maxi track! Cunt! Oh, look at that! Oh, yeah! What the fuck? What is this? Let's head down, come on!
Yeah, my nails pink, but my honey's blue. Running in these streets to these W's. And I might let you chill if I fuck with you. I don't wanna meet your mama, I ain't cuffing you.
Yeah. Because this will be.
I'll just pull up on this again.
Jimmy Dick.
COVID fake. COVID is fake. Ask those who died of it. Jimmy Dick.
I got no shoes on, so this is a bit fucked.
Alright, so pretty much, it's a pretty strange looking contraption. I don't know what the fuck that is. G'day. No. Nothing. Oh, hello. Oh, is that a toilet? Oh, that's fucking mint.
You're gonna go like this for your front right on
Oh, flex.
and it'll flex your rear left.
Alright.
Tony Coles.
Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless.
Holy shit. Oh, Riley, bro. Riley, slow down. Riley, slow
Bro,
down.
Jess, you've way too much trust in him.
Thanks for shifting, Riley.
What,
That's a
Jesus?
fucking tree, Riley.
Jesus Christ, mate!
Jesus Christ,
Whoa.
tree, Riley.
Yeah, but... Oh,
Jeep full of dudes. Oh, fuck, Jeep full of dudes. Two shirtless in the front. Imagine like seeing this go past your fucking
Oh, it's Sarah Gordon thing! Oh, you can't.
And alright. Who never takes so yeah. Who to get high. Who I forget my name.
Come to the easy route.
Yeah, he comes straight like. Fuck, look at the rock climb we're gonna do right here. Oh, whoa, big bump.
Oh, so left here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go on the farm.
Wait, what's it?
No.
No, just take left here and stay out of the front.
Oh, I thought it'd be safe. That'd be safe for sorry, boys. Sorry.
If this is a bad track, we'll just take the farm up. See. Hold on to your note, boys. So once you're at a altar,
Whoa,
go to
yeah.
the left. 3 inch loop.
Oh, I wonder what that is. Oh. The fucking like, what's that land road?
Yeah, it'd be a Land Rover. Oh, it might be. Yeah.
Cherokee. That looks like a Jeep to me.
It looks like a.
That's a land road, 100%.
Yeah, it's a Land Rover. It'd be like 60s, 50s maybe.
It's pretty cool, though. The tires for the take.
I reckon we can use it.
Yeah, maybe.
Run over that big log.
Oh, it's fucking bomb. What are you fucking doing? What are you fucking doing? Ah, no! Fuck off! Oh, you always rip my shorts. Alright, doing a quick tour of the camp.
Deadly mob thing, dude.
What we got? We have 2 lovebirds sleeping in here. It's a bit fucking munted.
Just a month in 10, okay?
Mate, I reckon it's beautiful.
Yeah, all the tape.
Here's my piece of little thing. There's Hayden's.
Wait, which pen?
This one here. Yeah, Jess is in the car. He's trying to get food going. If there's not any shenanigans later on, we'll talk to you in the morning.
What the fuck? Oh! Mate, wait, just look at this little bitch swag right here, and then look at this.
Daddy Deluxe.
Oh, mate.
Read the name, show him the name. Big Daddy Deluxe. And Big Daddy himself here.
Mate, careful, mate, he's pissed off. What is this?
We have this. And then we have...
So, not too long after that update, these two are struggling really fucking bad.
Fuck, it's a shit tent.
Oh, well, why'd you bring it? What is here? What is going on? Oh, mate. Pristine. Oh, no. Yep. Show us that hat, mate. Oh, that's fucking beautiful. Give it a shake. Anyway, yeah. Like I said just before, if there isn't any more shenanigans, we'll talk to you in the morning.
How do you boys feel about today so far? Pretty good.
It's good that our Asian mechanic knew how to fix his car.
Oh, yeah, that was.
But
Yeah, I can't see where I'm going.
we're walking through a ditch to Jess.
Is it now?
Oh, you forgot to lock one.
Wait, oh, okay. Put them back in, boy. Boy, there's like lights down there.
Yeah,
Really?
there's someone
And then
shining a
as soon
light. As soon as we shine our light, lights off. We go down, footprints, but no one's there.
That's freaky as fuck.
Yeah.
Wait, for real?
It was dead
as
serious.
Either here or behind the bush. It was either right here.
Yeah, give me the light.
It was either right here.
Where are the footprints?
Right
Bro, they all stood like this. What? Bro, no, they keep going. Who the fuck is taking strides like that? Look at this. Running like...
1, 2. Could be. 1, 2.
Oh yeah, what the fuck? Those are. Oh yeah, because it's got that
He was fucking standing. No, that's not walking footprints. That's standing footprints. He was fucking standing right here, watching us.
Bro, wait, look at that. Look at that behind, like right there. That's a whole gap you can walk through.
Yeah, I know. That's what. He was either in there or he was here. Bro, there's so many little nooks and crannies that people could be, like, this bloke could be in if he is here. Like, look in here. This is like prime. Oh, fucking hell.
That's so weird. I just thought that someone just saw someone and they just disappeared.
I'm like, not even. Is that what we dead set saw something? Like we saw them, like, but from the time it took for me, pretty much. So we were standing next to Riley's tent. From the time it took for me to like run to and grab the light off the thing, he was gone.
Yeah.
And he was literally like at the T-junction.
Can't, that's fucking wild.
I'm dead set kind of.
Yeah, I am not falling asleep tonight. Bro, imagine like tonight we all go to sleep and the first thing we hear is banging on the windows and like screaming and shit.
What?
Oh,
We're in
I
here.
thought you just walked off.
No.
Alright, Riley, how was your sleep?
Mate, I reckon I would have had a better sleep just lying on a hard concrete floor.
That's pretty stiff, eh? Riley, could you?
Yes.
Yep, just chuck the rubbish in back there with the other bag.
Oh, you missed it.
Oh, what the fuck?
Mate, where were you at 6 a.m?
Bro, they did a bullshit.
I was up at 3 a.m. going for a run.
A run.
Oh yeah, we're going for a run, were you?
Bro, what the fuck?
Alrighty, so we're waiting on these two boys to hurry up and pack up. But our plan today, or so far anyway, is to go to town, all over there, go to Ledge Point. We're just
Alright, so our plan is to head into town, get some food since the cookie stopped working, so we've got to have some brekkie. It's about, I think it's about 8 a.m. now, so we're gonna go past all these campsites that we've already seen while walking.
Who's this? No, you got a H straight out of
Yeah, right there, that's the drive through right there.
Oh shit.
there's some nice setups. Look at that setup.
No, it actually smells to the right. We go straight.
Oh great, there's a drop here. So where are we going?
Straight.
so while editing this video, I didn't realize it, but we hadn't actually recorded the part where the clutch had just stopped working. I can explain what happened, kind of. It's still a bit strange to me, but what happened was Sam had got inside of the bell housing where the clutches and flywheel, gearbox, like where gearbox connects to the clutch and everything. What I reckon happened was Sam had kept the clutch plate half engaged with the slave cylinder, must have like having a bunch of sand as well, causing it to be a lot stiffer than it should be. Luckily, it wasn't fully engaged to the point where I could still drive home and get it fixed. So yeah.
Well, what do you know? The Jeep's fucked.
Well. Alright, blokes. So pretty much we're slowly gears all the way back to big old Perth. Pretty much my clutch plate is slipping somehow. If I rev it, then I can see the revs go up and we're not going any faster, which tells me it's probably a throttle bearing or slave cylinder, which is probably the second. Or just we have no fluid there. That's a big possibility. And there could be like shit inside the hydraulic line. So yeah. There's also a car behind us if we want to go overtake somewhere. Done myself a little bit of mischief here.
This is why you don't buy Jeeps.
Yeah, this is why you check your fluids before you go on trips, boys. Alright, so we've lost 3 people in the back. Obviously, they've all fucked off because they're little woolly wankers. I found a way to get us moving on the roads again without having to use our clutch because I physically can't use the starter motor to get our car going. So what I've done, we've got a neutral in our transfer case, so we chuck it on neutral, we chuck it in first, and when you just put it into 4 low, let the gearbox do its thing, don't put too much pressure on it or anything, don't give it revs, and then the car just kicks along forward, and then what you do, you bring it to 2 high after you reach a speed that you're not comfortable with, and you will feel a little bit of a shudder, you might break something, but you will get home.
We're desperate.
We are very desperate.
Soldier boy, tell me.
Baby,